Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, has some gloves. Old gloves got worn out, so got these. Touchscreen. A clip to join them together or separate them. Lego can. Kind of dirty a little bit. Need a dirty. Um, it's kind of big for me. But yeah, I think it's like one size fit all, maybe, I think. I still feel my finger up to like this point here, so it's not too bad. And there you go. That is it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.